Hello, my name is Zain Ghamdi, and today I'm going to be presenting my capstone project, the Arcade Revival Campaign. So I'm going to be covering the introduction, brand overview, logo development, brand guide, and finally, brand application. Okay, so the Arcade Revival Campaign is a comprehensive branding initiative designed to challenge the digital isolation of the modern era. While technology has advanced, we're on our smartphones, tablets, and VR headsets, our physically social third spaces have rapidly diminished. This project establishes a bold new brand identity for a hybrid social hub where Gen Zs and millennials can reclaim the lost culture of face to face connection. Our brand values human connection. We believe the high score is found in face to face interactions. Adult exclusivity. We prioritize a sophisticated atmosphere that removes the playground stigma. And finally, community energy. We are more than a gaming room, we're a vibrant social hub fueled by shared experiences and coffee culture. Our mission is to rescue arcade culture from the playground and return it to the community. We're dedicated to creating a sophisticated, adult centric sanctuary where Gen Zs and Millennial can escape digital isolation and the awkwardness of kid focused venues. By blending new retro nostalgia with a modern lounge experience, we provide the ultimate space to log off, refuel, and rediscover the power of playing together side by side. What? Arcade Revival Campaign. Why? To revive arcade culture. Where? PMU's auditorium. When? May 11th, 2026. Who? Millennials and Gen Zs. My first idea was the same idea, an arcade/coffee shop called Retro Brew. I went with the neon look, but I wanted to focus more on the arcade and make the whole theme 80s/90s inspired. So this is the first draft of my new logo/brand identity. I was inspired by the 80s/90s MTV style. I decided to draw two friends socializing, playing together with the arcade, but the colors were too much and I felt like the logo had too much details. I finally decided to minimize the drawing of the logo, and I was inspired by Miami Vice. So I applied that through the color scheme. I also cropped the two guys playing so it's not too much detailed. I ended up putting the logo on the bottom where it's shown and the slogan on the top of the arcade. So here's the logo analysis. As you can see, the typography, which is the name of the brand, Arcade, and the icon, which is the two friends playing with the arcade machine, and the slogan, I put it on top. Here's the gridding of my logo. Here are the sizing of the logo. I made the 5 centimeter, 3, 1, and 0.5 centimeter. For my logo don't use a different font, don't use different color, don't remove brand name, and finally, don't use different colors for the two guys playing and the arcade machine. For my do's, use assigned font and color scheme, and use the logo without the box for posters and branding. For the typography, I used 3 different fonts. So for the logo, I used the Archive font, and Poppins and Fredoka is used in branding. And here are the color scheme. I used 5 color schemes, and they were all inspired by Miami Vice and MTV as well. And here are the brand's patterns. These can be used in advertising, in branding, poster designs, and video design. I used these elements throughout the brand. They were also inspired from MTV and Miami Vice. For the brand application, here's the branding, which is the packaging design. As you can see, the token cup, fries, plastic cup, coffee sleeve, takeaway bag, meal box out and in, and finally, employee shirt. And for the outdoor ads, as you can see, I have the outdoor sign and the outdoor posters. For the booth, I decided to go with the arcade machine look, as you can see, and I also bought an actual arcade machine as an activity for the guests. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed and liked my brand.